This video is how to do square lashing, so you can attach two sticks together into a cross shape or at right angles to each other. If you're teaching this to young children, it's really useful to get somebody else to hold the sticks so that the person tying the knot can actually use both hands and it holds the sticks securely in place. So the first thing to do is to attach the end of your rope to the first stick using whatever knot you want. I'm going to use a clove hitch. Okay. And then put that stick so you've made a cross shape, and you're going to draw a square because it's square lashing, and you're going to go under and over and under and over. So taking the rest of the string, first thing to do is to go underneath there to sort of cradle that stick and hold it into the knot. So you've done the first bit of the square, and you're going to do the next bit of the square by going over the top of that stick, and then you're going to go underneath again to cradle that one for the top bit of the square, and then come back across and pull it tight. You're going to do that a few times, so keep drawing your square, going under, over, under, over. So you just keep going around, keep pulling it tight to make it nice and secure. When you've done that 2 or 3 times, what you're going to do is you're going to go round, and you need to secure it because at the moment there's still quite a lot of flex in there. So what you need to do is what's called the frapping. So you're going to go underneath there, but you're going to come across the top there. So you're going to draw a circle around the middle, so around that top stick. You're going around the top stick 2 or 3 times to secure it. Okay. When you feel like it's secure and you can see it's not flexing as much now, you can tie it off at the end. And I'm just going to do a quick clove hitch to tie that off. Now, square lashing is a really, really useful thing to be able to do, as well as being able to make shapes like that. That could be the start of perhaps making a Mexican eye. You could also, the one I made earlier, you can use 2 and set them up almost if you wanted to make an A-frame for, you could make spikes on the end and use it as a sawing station, or you could put another stick across the top, drape a tarpaulin over to make a shelter, like a small A-frame tent. You can use it as the start of sort of cooking spaces or hog roast type things. You can even lash a few together to make picture frames and squares and all sorts of structures, whatever you want to make. So that's square lashing.